Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you take a second and click that subscribe button down below because I got a ton more videos coming out to you guys you don't want to miss out. And I'm doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there, so definitely hit that subscribe button. Now you might be able to notice a little bit of a difference in quality of this video. That's because I'm recording this video on the new S10 Plus that I just bought and reviewed. You can check that video out. It's the last video I did. Now today's product, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be reviewing this moon lamp. Now I got this thing on eBay for just about $4. It's supposed to be like LED plugs in, stuff like that. It's supposed to look really nice, kind of like a desk toy. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and check it out. Alright guys, you gotta love the ultra wide capabilities of this camera because now I could finally fit everything in the shot for bigger products. So expect bigger and better products in the future because now I could finally get them all in the same camera shot with this amazing wide angle lens. So let's go ahead and open this package up. We're going to open it up with our $1 keychain key knife I reviewed in another video. As you can see, it does come packed in pretty standard gray eBay packaging. It's not bubble wrap, but I don't think this thing needs to be that protected. It's pretty lightweight. Here is our moon light. As you can see on the box, it's got a little wood stand and the moon. It's supposed to look pretty realistic. It could possibly have two different light settings, a warmer light and a more bluish kind of white or whiter white. You could see it runs 5 volt direct current, 1 watt. It takes very little power. It works for 4 to 20 hours depending on the brightness. I'm guessing that's a battery life. Yep, charging time. That's great. So this thing doesn't even need to stay plugged in. That's a great little desktop accessory, the fact that it can do that. Oh, and it does have warm and cold, which is great. Warm is the yellower light, blue is the colder light. Alright. 3D printing moonlight. Do not stare at the light for a long time. You'll get moon blindness, apparently. You don't want any kind of liquids getting on it. Interesting, touch sensitivity. I'm not sure what that means, but I'm kind of curious to find out. So here is our charging cable. So you can see this is some sort of 5 volt, 1 watt charging cable. It's USB to whatever this small little thing is. Pretty standard stuff. So you got your charging cable. It's about 3 feet. So you can see here is where we've got our wood stand. It is not bad looking. I kind of like the classic look of the wood. I wish it was stained or something so that way it had a nice deep color. But a nice little classic wood stand. Not bad. And it seems pretty darn durable even though it's just tack nailed into place. It is pretty strong. And why would you be tossing this thing around anyway? And let's take out this piece of foam here. Wow. 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 Look at this moon, guys. Some particles on there from the foam. Look at this moon. It's actually kind of neat looking. It actually looks like the moon, and apparently it was 3D printed. Wow. Interesting, interesting. I'm guessing that's the charging port on the bottom. I have no idea how to turn this thing on, guys. Interesting. Yeah, that's all you get in the package. There's the product, I guess. What? They're just, what? Alright guys, I got our USB cable plugged in to a standard adapter. Let's plug it in. Ooh, I see a little red light. You guys can see that, can't you? Interesting. Interesting. Huh. Instructions, here we go. How about that? Touch within 1 second to switch light color. What? Hold on. This is a touch. Let me unplug it right quick. Oh my god. It just turned on. Oh, goodness gracious, I am sincerely impressed right now. Oh my goodness guys, I finally figured it out. This is actually a touch sensitive part right here. That is insane. The fact that it has that, it's really cool. I would have liked it to be somewhere on the top maybe, but it does add to the look. It keeps it consistent. that it's on the bottom, but that is, okay, that is crazy. Let me turn the light off so you guys can see what's going on. You can see there's a nice little light on the moon, like there's a sun somewhere, but there's not a sun. Oh, man. Oh my god. Guys, this is stupid. This is like stupid amazing. Not stupid, look at that. I know you guys have seen this on the moon. Like, this is actually accurate to the way the moon looks. Look at this. This is insane. Oh my goodness. Let's go to the more yellow version. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. That is crazy. And it says if you... Okay, so if you touch it again, it turns back off. So if you touch it again, just one tap switches between the yellow, the white, and the off. If you hold it, apparently it turns the brightness up. Wow, okay. And then let's do it again, and it'll turn it down. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And then switch. We could turn it down. Wow, okay, this is a really cool look, because this actually looks like a full moon now. That's so cool. I am so impressed. And then we turn it back up, and wow. Guys, this is amazing. The fact that this was $4, it's rechargeable, holds a charge, and works for like 4 to 20 hours or whatever it said. That is insane for a $4 price tag. This is such a neat desktop toy. Like, the fact that you can keep this on your desk, on the stand, and like, that's just so neat. It's just so accurate looking. I feel like I'm actually holding the moon in my hands. Like, I feel, oh, hello moon. Like, I feel like I'm holding the actual moon in my hands. It's so nice for $4, and the stand just really adds to it. I am so impressed. I'll put the link to this product in the description if you guys want to get your own. I highly, highly suggest it, because it's just that cool. It's just that cool, guys. The fact that it's got the touch controls that actually work really good. You just tap on that bottom. Oh my goodness. Butter me up and call me impressed. This is amazing. This is what it looks like when it's charging, guys. It looks like a blood moon. Insane. Guys, this product has got to be one of my favorite things I've ever reviewed. The fact that it's rechargeable. Different colors, different brightnesses. So compact, so well designed, and looks like the moon. It's insane how accurate it looks like the moon. Yeah, it's a little hard to see in the light, but when it's dark, you can see this thing for sure. It's got a perfect luminescence to where it looks like the actual moon, because the actual moon is not too bright. And the fact that they said don't stare at it for too long makes no sense to me. You will not go blind staring at this thing too long, and you could take that to the bank. It's not that bright. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the moon, if you think the mule? If you like the moon, if you think the moon is a cool rock, go ahead and hit that like button, give the video a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you take a second and click that subscribe button right down here so you don't miss out on any future reviews. If you haven't checked out the last video, I'll put it right up there. And if you want to see the playlist, it'll be right up there for you guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and don't get shy.